finding the right electric drywall sander can transform your renovation projects. Today, we're testing the top 3 best electric drywall sander that deliver outstanding results for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Find links to all products reviewed in the description below. Starting with our number 3 spot, the VEVOR electric drywall sander. This 750-watt powerhouse stands out with its exceptional build quality and practical design. It features a robust metal body construction that's built to last through countless projects. What sets this model apart is its intelligent speed control system, offering 6 variable speeds from 800 to 1750 RPM. This flexibility lets you tackle everything from fine detail work to aggressive surface removal. One particular feature that impressed us during testing was its extendable design. It stretches from 1.4 to 1.9 meters, making those high-ceiling jobs much more manageable. The foldable frame isn't just about reach, it's also perfect for storage and transportation between job sites. Features you'll appreciate: 360-degree LED strip lighting system, large 8.86-inch sanding head, detachable brush segment, telescoping frame, 6-speed variable control system. Moving on to our second-place contender, the 1390 electric drywall sander. This professional-grade tool delivers exceptional power that makes quick work of challenging surfaces. What really caught our attention was its innovative vacuum suction system, paired with a generous 6.8-foot dust hose that captures up to 90% of dust particles. This feature alone makes it a standout choice for health-conscious users. During our testing, the 5-speed variable control system proved incredibly versatile, offering speeds between 800 and 1800 RPM. This range provides excellent control, whether you're working on delicate surfaces or tackling tough textures. The aluminum alloy extension rod extends to 6.5 feet, giving you remarkable reach for those challenging ceiling projects. Key features worth noting: double-deck LED lighting system, 20 combination grit sanding discs included, 90-degree pivoting head, professional-grade vacuum dust collection, quick-release base. Now for our top pick, the POSENPRO 250mm electric drywall sander. This 810-watt masterpiece represents the pinnacle of drywall sanding technology, offering unmatched versatility and control. What truly sets it apart is its advanced speed control system, ranging from 500 to 2100 RPM, the widest range among our tested models. The innovative 120-degree pivoting head automatically adjusts to maintain flush contact with any surface, ensuring consistent results across walls and ceilings. Its self-suction function significantly reduces airborne dust, creating a cleaner working environment. The hook-and-loop base system makes sandpaper changes quick and efficient, saving valuable time during projects. Standout features include 360-degree LED strip lighting, detachable side cover, automatic vacuum system integration, 18 professional-grade sandpaper sheets included, tool-free head rotation system. Conclusion: these electric drywall sanders each offer unique advantages for different needs. The POSENPRO stands out as our top choice for its exceptional versatility and user-friendly features. The 1390 model impresses with its raw power, while the VEVOR provides excellent value for those starting their DIY journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.